try some junk food?
No, never. Go away.
Kyara, why don't you try something nutritious?
Yeah, I love nutritious food. But sometimes they're so boring.
Let me share with you something which is nutritious and have lots of fun.
Nutritious food plus fun, that's gonna be amazing. Mama. Yes, Kyara. So you are feeling hungry and bored? No worries, I have got something special for you. Okay? I have Soulfull Ragi Bites. And you know what? You can also collect toys in this. It's a perfect combination of nutritious snacking plus fun. Soulfull Ragi Bites. I'm so excited to open this. Are you? Unboxing time. What's this? We have like a bag. Let's open this and see. Guys, this is Ragi. Look. This is the strawberry flavored big pack. This is the chocolate flavored big pack, and this is the vanilla pack. And we got a small pack. Guys, on the bag there's a crossword here. And here too. Guys, there are 6 toys to collect from these boxes. Unboxing time. I'll eat this later. So let's open the next one. Let me just take one of these out. So let's unpack these. This is the Cruncha Muncha Collector's Guide. Guys, I collected 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now my favorite part, to assemble it. And let's open this. Kasai, the firefighter. Guys, let's open the next one. Jinsoku, the Swiftest. The other one, let's open the Chikara, the strong one. Sukoou, the fastest. Kashikoi, the wise. The shadow hunter. Guys, my Cruncha Muncha army is ready. Let's go and destroy Kurova the Destructor. He's making everybody eat junk food and making people sick and lazy. Go Cruncha Munchas, go! Guys, I had lots of fun doing this video. If you like us, then subscribe us. Bye!